This dance is called Key to Life. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with 3 tags. Starting on the right foot, point the right to the right side, touch the right beside the left. Touch the right heel forward, hook the right over the left. Shuffle forward on the right. And repeat that with the left foot. So you point the left to the side, touch the left beside the right, touch the left heel forward, hook the left over the right, shuffle forward on the left. Now set of steps once more then. Point, touch, heel, hook off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step back on that right. Chassé to the left, but we're going for a quarter turn on to start with. So a quarter turn left, you step the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side. Quarter turn in chassé. Coaster step, right foot leading, into a chase half turn, stepping forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock back off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock back. Turn chassé. Coaster step. Step pivot step. Add that to the top. Point touch heel hook off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward rock, back, turn, chassé, coaster, step, step, pivot, step. Into a couple of vaudevilles. So go to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, bring the right back beside the left. Repeat with the left foot, cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, left heel forward on that diagonal, step the left beside the right. Step forward 2 steps, right, left, into a mambo touch. So you rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then. Vaudevilles off on the right. 7, 8. Cross and heel and cross and heel and step, step, mambo touch. Let's add that to the top. Point, touch, heel, hook off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward rock back, turn chassé, coaster step, step, pivot step. Cross and heel and cross and heel and walk, walk, mambo touch. And on Monterey quarter turn, we're going to do 2 of these. So we point the right to the side, make a quarter turn right, you bring the right beside the left, point left to the side, left beside the right. Now repeat. Point the right to the side, make a quarter turn right, you bring the right beside the left, point the left to the side, left beside the right. And a slow jazz box. Cross the right over the left, step the left back, right to the side, left beside right. That set of steps once more then, 2 Montereys off on the right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Cross, back, side, close. End of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Point, touch, heel, hook off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward rock, back, turn, chassé, coaster, step, step, pivot, step. Cross and heel and cross and heel and walk, walk, mambo, touch. Monterey turn, cross, back, side, close. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Point, touch, heel, hook off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Point, touch, heel, hook off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward rock, back, turn, chassé. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step. Cross and heel and walk, walk, mambo, touch. Monterey turn, cross, back, side, close. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward rock, back, turn, chassé. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step. Cross and heel and walk, walk, mambo, touch. Monterey turn, cross, back, side, close. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward rock, back, turn, chassé. Coaster, step, step, pivot, step. Cross and heel and walk, walk, mambo, touch. Monterey turn, cross, back, side, close. So that's your dance. Now there are 3 tags in this dance. They are all the same. They come at the ends of walls 2, 4 and 6. So you'll either be facing 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock when you come to do the tag. The tag is 16 counts long. So you're going to step the right to the side, rock back on the left, recover on the right. Step the left to the side, rock back on the right, recover on the left. Shuffle forward on the right, into a chase half turn, stepping forward on the left, pivot half turn right, step forward on the left. That's the first half of the tag. Just do that once more, side back rock off on the left, right. 7, 8, side, back rock, right, shuffle, step, pivot, step. You're going to do this first half of that tag again. So step the right to the side, rock back on the left, recover, left to the side, rock back on the right, recover. Then take 4 steps, making half a turn to the left. Right, left, right, left. That last half of the tag then, side back rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, back rock, walk, 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 walk. Add those 2 together, the whole tag. Side back rock off on the right. 7, 8, side, back rock, right, shuffle, step, step, side, back rock, walk, walk, counts on the tag. Side back rock off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So the tag comes, like I said, at the ends of walls 2, 4 and 6. So you will be facing either 6 or 12 o'clock when you come to add the tag. So let's do our 3 o'clock wall, get to the end and add that tag on, and then restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Point, touch, heel, hook off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward, rock, back, turn, chasse, coaster, step, step, pivot, step. Cross and heel and walk, walk, mambo, touch. Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, tag, side, back, rock, right, shuffle, step, pivot, step. Side, back, rock, walk, 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 walk. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. Ends of walls 2, 4 and 6. So you only dance the tag 3 times. So that is it. That is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to better music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Forward, rock, back, turn, chasse, coaster, step, step, in, step. Cross and heel and walk, walk, mambo, touch. Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward, rock, back, turn, chasse, coaster, step, step, in, step. Cross and heel and step, walk, mambo, touch. Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, tag, side, back, rock, right, shuffle, step, in, step, side, back, rock, walk. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward, rock, back, turn, chasse, coaster, step, in, step. Cross and heel and walk, mambo, touch. Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close. Point, touch, heel, hook, right, shuffle. Point, touch, heel, hook, left, shuffle. Forward, turn, chasse, coaster, step, in, step. Cross and heel and walk, mambo, touch. Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, tag, side, back, rock, right, shuffle, step, in, step, side, back, rock, walk, points. Forward, rock, back.
Swing wide open, some say forever close.
Monterey.
I may not know it all. One thing I know
Points.
is keep your life ain't up in the lock to a bag full of money.
Forward, rock.
Keep your life ain't under the mat to some great grass on it.
Overdown.
Simple things like you and me, eastbound down, no place to be.
Monterey.
Just driving around, turning that key.
Tag.
It ain't all worked out, but everything'll be alright. Just living that dream, yeah, turning that key to life.
Points. Hope you managed that one.